Alright, so ethical hacking entails a lot and you need a ton of stuff to learn. If you want to learn ethical hacking in 2022, you should watch this video right now. Okay. Alright, so what's up, beautiful people? Fearless here again. People who just want to go straight to hacking without looking at any part or what they should really know in the course of their hacking journey. So I want you to get the basics right. Don't be a script kiddie. If you are here and then you are a script kiddie, please don't do that. Don't just go around copying people's code whilst you don't even understand or you don't even know what you should do with. So as a hacker, you don't need to be weak. Okay. You won't be able to find anything during an assessment if you don't know your stuff. Yes, that's the hard truth. Okay, so my first point is you should know how to go around Linux-based systems. So someone might ask, why should I learn Linux? Why not Windows? So before you do any other thing, I think you should look at Debian-based systems. So you should learn some basic stuff of how to navigate the Linux system, in the sense that you'll be meeting more of Linux enterprise-based systems, especially Red Hat Enterprise Linux systems, which supports and powers softwares and technologies for automation. Okay, cloud, containers, middleware, application development, virtualization, and management. That's not all. That's a whole lot. Yes. So due to the fact that Linux has a private and secured environment, due to it being an open source software, it's highly preferred by hackers. You also need Linux because of a level of transparency it gives to its users. So I highly prefer Linux due to how I'm able to customize my system for my own use according to functionality and appearance, and above all, it's being an open source based software. So I think you should take a serious look at Linux. Yes. Okay, so my second point is networking. So someone might also ask, so at what point should you learn networking? I think the early stages, because you deal with computers which communicate day in, day out. So take your home, for example. You have internet access and you're able to communicate with the outside world and also share resources and stuff about yourself. So this can be a medium for other hackers. So when I say other hackers, I mean the black hat hackers, to be able to gain any digital information from you. And you need to learn how to solve problems, be it in a network by knowing, be it in a corporate network by knowing the root cause. And there's no way you will know how to solve this unless you have a good computer networking background. Okay, so you need it. Yes, I'll provide some links to some great content you should look at. You will have to secure networks as a hacker of an organization by working with a network engineering team, okay, during engagements. And you need to have an in-depth knowledge about whatever you are doing, whatever you're going to do. Okay, so you have to basically know as much about how network operates, including basics such as what an IP address is, what ports are, what protocols are, and how routing occurs. Yes. So going to the next point, we have research skills. And this is very, very important for anyone that wants to learn hacking in 2022. Yes. So in any assessment, you might always meet new stuff. And learning doesn't stop in this field. So quite a substantial percentage of hacking depends on how best you can research. Yes, so you can't know everything in the field of hacking. That's why you need to gather your research skills and work on targets. Yes, so this goes down to the key of enumeration. And in this field, 70% of the work you do in engagement or on a target in an assessment is enumeration. And I think if you're able to enumerate a target very well, you will find more stuff to help you to do your pen test very well. So for example, you found out that a target is running a database, and you need to sequentially know what database you are looking at that moment, and know the commands execute to further gather information about whatever you are working on. You can't just say you are trying to hack a database whilst you don't even know what type of database you are hacking. I mean, what type of database server you are hacking. Like, what are you hacking? Jeez. You ain't hacking anything. Don't deceive yourself, bro. Well, for this point, I think it has helped me a lot. That's why I've included it, for you to learn much more. Yes, so you should play CTF. That's the fourth point. You should play CTF. Some are not that realistic, but you need them. Yes, some, Charlie, you just waste your time. You don't get anything. So not all types of CTF. So if you really want to learn from CTF, I think you should check out platforms such as Echo CTF and so Dawn, Hack the Boss, Try Hack Me. There are a lot of them out there, guys. You can research on them and just play around with them. They come in handy when you are not everything though, but mind you, some people don't find it so realistic, so they don't even play at all. So this point is not much something I'll say you should really look at, but if you want to learn, why not play CTF? That's the only way you can hack around. Okay, so my final point is you should learn how to code, or basically know how to read code. So with penetration tests, you need to use tools. Yes, tools that are built with programming languages. Yes, so we have scripted tools as well. Let's say bash scripted tools, and we have tools that are already in existence. They are powerful. They are all good. But just look at this case that you have a tool, and then you need to perform a particular function that is not included in that tool. What do? Would you have to now go and look for someone else to come and build that functionality in that tool for you? No, basically you can just tweak the codes, do whatever you want to do with the codes you have, or build a different tool on your own. It comes in handy, yes. So, and at least you should learn how to read codes. You should understand them. Yes. So take a look at certifications as well. In this field, we have a lot of certifications, and I think I'll put some in the link below for you to check them out. Alien securities certifications, certifications from TCM Academy. Yes, so the PMPT, OSCP, a lot of stuff. There are a lot of certifications. I can't talk about all of them in this video, so I will just put a link, or I will just provide links for you to have a look at them. Yeah. Alright, so stuff are not going to come to you that easy, okay? You need to always be on the lookout for knowledge. You'd have to learn, enumerate your targets well. Gather as much as information you need on any target, okay? Thank you very much. Until the next video, have a happy and an awesome one.